Hi guys, it's me Nora back with the video. So today I just got out of school. This video might be short because going to be showing you the slime that I made at school today. And I cannot film at school because I'm filming on my phone. So here's the slime if you guys can see it. It has water inside the retainer because I put water inside the retainer. I put this for you guys to see. Oh, sorry. Now you guys can see the slime. This is really good. It's not that stretchy, but it's good. I might add lotion, but water is what I like to add. So, wait. And then I grab it. Don't. And I grab this and do this and do this. And then I scroll it. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Wow, la la la. So this is pretty. If you guys can't see, I'm sorry. So this is the slime. So that's the Pokeball. So right now we're going to be doing some ASMR. So let's get started with the ASMR, baby. So guys, I just added water for the thing. Okay, so let's just start. First, we're going to be starting by the stretchiness. So let's get started. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Now let's do the troll. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. Like this how it looks like. Isn't it not pretty at all? If it isn't, guys, I'm sorry. Now let's do the Pokeball. Wait, let's do it over here. That's pretty good. Pretty good. So now let's do the crunch, I think it's called. So I got a way to do that. So I stretch it, put it together, and keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. And I can feel the bubbles. Wait. Ooh, sorry guys if I'm not talking. Okay, that was pretty good. Is that all the time it doesn't like poke? Because it doesn't have to. Ready, set, go. I was ready. Oh, heck. Yeah, I'm... I'm giving this a 10. This slime is super good. So that's the slime. And now, let me put it in. So now, let's go on. Let me go and see who I'm going to pick for the winners for a shout out. And I'm going to be doing something that I'm going to be telling you guys. So you're going to have to do it for you guys to win. Okay? Let's go. Okay, yeah. It smells like burning something. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the shout outs right now. But before doing that, what I need to tell you guys. Are you kidding me? Yeah. I'm just kidding. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you guys is that you guys are going to have to so you guys, because I'm going to do a giveaway, iPhone 10, no, not iPhone 10, what is it called? iPhone 0, no, iPhone X, yeah, iPhone X, and iPhone 8, and iPhone 7, and a tablet, and iPad, and if you guys want to get the winners for that, what you guys need to do is give this video a thumbs up, and what you guys need to do for it is you guys need to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, turn on the bell, fiction, I don't know how to pronounce it, for you guys to know when I upload videos, and that's what you basically need to do. And follow my friend's YouTube channel that I'm going to be telling you guys tomorrow probably, because she didn't tell me her YouTube channel, so I'm going to be doing that for them. So I hope you guys, the shout out. So the first shout out goes to, drum roll please, is to Alana Smile, cute lover. She is like a really sweet person because she's so nice. She supports me, and the other person that's the least person, not unless me, is only Drowned 3576. So yeah, if I think I missed something. I don't know. If I missed something, I'm sorry. If I unpronounce it, I'm super sorry. I need to practice my word talking. And my throat hurts if you guys can't tell. So don't forget, and it's a while I haven't posted because of school. And I couldn't upload it because I think the memory was full. So I had to erase some pictures. So yeah, so now don't forget to do those stuff for the shout out, and you guys have to subscribe. Take this video to at least like 100 subscribers. Yeah, at least 100 100 likes on this video. Please, I beg you. Because I'm going to be doing more giveaways, and I'm going to be doing a slime soon. I might mix the slime inside the ones in here, but I'm not sure. So yeah. So don't forget to, you know, all those things I told you to do. Because if you guys don't do it, then you guys are not going to be a part of our team. Oh, and don't forget, because I'm doing a shirt, and I already have it on. This shirt is a kitty shirt. This is going to be on my shop now, because my friend, she told me that nobody buy it, but I just bought it for her. And she said, can you please put it in your shop for people to buy it? So I will, and that will be my first shirt to do. So I said, why not? Because I haven't put anything from my shop. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and give this to 100 likes. And don't forget to love this video and comment them. Oh, and the question of the day. I'm going to start doing the question of the day. So the question of the day is going to be, when you grow up, what type of job will you get? And what color would you change your hair? If you guys don't know what job you guys are going to get, or what you like to do when you grow up, then what will you change your hair when you grow up? Alright, now, so that's going to be for the question of the day. So I'm going to be answering that. So when I want to grow up, I want to be, I got two, a doctor or a teacher. Why? Because teacher help learn kids, and doctors, you help people that are hurt and all that. And I might just be a doctor, but I really want to be a teacher. I might just be a teacher, but I'm thinking not. I don't know. So I might be for sure a doctor. So yeah. And what would I like to change my hair when I grow up? This is simple and easy because all of you guys know me with the blonde knees. So you guys already know what I'm going to pick. I will change my hair to blonde. Not all of it, but like right here in the bottom, I will. So yeah, so don't forget to comment down below, because the question of the day is, what will you like to be when you grow up, and what will you change your hair to be when you grow up? So don't forget to give this video to 100 likes, and yeah, you guys already know the drill. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it now. Na na na. Dun 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 dun. Bam bam. Bam 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 bam. Love you all because you guys are my feed. Ritz. The West is done.